प्रगति here. So today we are doing makeup. अगर आप अच्छा मॉइस्चराइजर ढूंढ रहे हो तो you go for this. This is the best. Now we are applying this lip balm. Cutest. तो हम करने वाले हैं काइली का ये वाला लुक. So let's start. I'm using inside का concealer palette. इसमें से हम ऑरेंज करेक्टर लेके अपने डार्क सर्कल्स को छुपाएंगे. Like it's a peach concealer, not orange concealer. And you have to tap it, not drag it. Foundation. For this I'm using Malio का foundation. भाई ये बहुत अच्छा फाउंडेशन है. मैंने कितनी बार यूज किया है. And you have to blend it properly. Now I'm using sugar का concealer for highlighting. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I gotta let you know it's so incredible. I'm finally letting go. बस पहली बार मैंने ये वाली ब्लश ट्राई की है. जो मैं ऐसे करूँगा. So our base is ready. Now we are going to the eyes. और eyes पे हम कट क्रीज करेंगे हमें blue, like blue glittery color. अच्छा लगेगा. We take this eyeshadow light brown. Blend करेंगे बहुत. Cut crease मिल जाएगी. Sunshine. Wow! दिखा I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now. Everything I want. Might be a miracle. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. Love you all. Bye.